Well, hello, Las Vegas. Now we are seeing the Cybertruck right here. Oh, look at this up close. We will finally see it. Look how it is. Elon Musk is a genius. So let's go around. Look at it. Look at its color. Beautiful.
I think we left the window open.
It's all over Las Vegas, guys. Look at this. Solar panel. Everything. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Look at the inside, guys. Beautiful. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh, it lit up. It lit up. Technically, yeah. Maybe it alarmed the owner. So
God, it's recording.
there you go. Vegas.